In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Wix website with a new theme. So maybe you feel your site needs a fresh look or just a bit of sprucing up. This tutorial will guide you through selecting and customizing a new theme on Wix, ensuring your website stays modern, vibrant, and perfectly aligned with your brand. Let's dive right in by opening the Wix editor. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll navigate straight to your site that you want to update. Click on the option to edit your site, which will lead you into the editor, the space where all the creative possibilities open up. Now that you're in the editor, let's focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice several icons. The one we're interested in today is the site design icon. Go ahead and click that. This step is all about accessing your site's design tools, which are crucial in initiating the redesign process. Next, we're going to choose a new theme for your site. With the Site Design panel open, look for the Change Theme option. Clicking this will take you to a gallery of theme options. Here you can browse through various combinations of fonts, colors, and overall aesthetic that Wix has to offer. Choosing a theme is a powerful way to redefine the look of your entire site in just a few clicks. Take your time here. Find a theme that speaks to your brand's identity and communicates the right message to your audience. Once you've selected a theme you love, you can begin to customize it to better suit your brand. This customization step is optional, but highly recommended if you want your site to feel uniquely yours. Within the theme customization options, you can tweak the colors and fonts to your liking, ensuring alignment with your brand's visual guidelines. After personalizing your theme, you might want to add themed elements to further enhance your site's appearance. You'll look for the Add Elements icon, which allows you to incorporate additional design components that align with your newly selected theme. This can include anything from updated buttons to themed images, giving your site a coherent and polished look. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Wix site with a brand new theme. Whether you're opting for a complete makeover or just a subtle refresh, these steps ensure your site not only looks great, but remains true to your brand's vision. Thank you for following along, and I hope your new design elevates your website to the next level. Happy editing!